Question lang, 3 years na po ako nagbabayad sa Manila Bankers. Ang policy ko po is Money Saver. Pwede ko po bang ma-refund yung nahulog ko? So I have a lot of videos about this, refund sa life insurance. The quick answer is no, we cannot refund, lalo na 3 years na yan. We can only refund sa life insurance natin kung nagkamali tayo ng purchase, hindi natin naintindihan, nabudol tayo, sabihin na natin na puwersa tayo sa first 15 days lang ng policy. So first 15 days upon policy delivery, pwede mo mabasa-basa yan, magdalawang isip ka, you change your mind, yes, you can return the policy and you can refund, probably meron lang minimal processing fee. Pero kung more than 15 days na yan, months na yan, particularly kung years na yan, hindi mo na siya pwedeng ma-refund. So, you have an option na not to pay na. So, pag di ka nagbayad, maglalapse yung policy mo, wala na po lahat yun. You can surrender your policy kung may cash value yan. I'm not sure kung 3 years meron ng cash value. Yung Manila Bankers kasi hindi yan VUL, traditional plan yan. So, kung meron ng cash value, then pwede mong ma-withdraw yun. Kung VUL yan, kung ibang policies, then usually merong account value less withdrawal charges if applicable. Kung first 3 years, in most companies, malaki yung charge. Alright, so kaya paalala na intindihing maigi yung binibili before mag-decide. You have the right to ask all your questions. You have the right to say no kung hindi mo pa naintindihan. Bago mag-decide, magtanong, wag magpapilit, wag magpa-pressure sa mga nasa mall, sa mga nasa bank, or even dun sa mga bank, mga kaibigan yung financial advisors.